Kangra, based in Mandi.
I am Rajinder Arora. Presently, I am working as executive engineer with HP Public Works Department. My wife, Poonam Arora. We have two kids, elder one, my son, Anshul, is also a mechanical engineer and is working with Hero Honda. And the daughter is doing MBA and is in final year.
Thank you.
Hello and good afternoon, everybody. I'm TP Singh, working as AGM Bokaro Steel Plant, Steel Authority of India Limited. My wife, Balwinder Kaur, is a housewife. I've got two children. Hardeep Singh is working in IBM, and my daughter Simran is she's studying in 12th. And I'm really touched after meeting my mates after so much long time, and I really wish that there will be many more such occasions in the future. Thank you.
From electronics, he used to attend classes when he feels like it. He left our company, went to electronics. I am 165 by 76, he is 164 by 76. Adesh.
Thank you, Suri. Suri ਦੀ ਬਦਕਿਸਮਤੀ ਦੋਨੋਂ ਪਾਸੇ ਦੇਸ਼ ਬੈਠੇ ਹੁੰਦੇ ਸੀ ਸਰਕਾਰ ਆਪਣੇ ਹੁੰਦੇ ਸੀ ਬਾਅਦ ਚ ਇਹਨੂੰ ਮੌਜ ਲੱਗ ਗਈ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਇਹ ਕਰਤਾ
ਥੋੜਾ ਮਾਈਕ ਉੱਪਰ ਕਰ ਲਈ ਆਦੇ
ਸੋ ਅਸੀਂ ਦੋਨੋਂ ਇਹਦੇ ਇੱਕ ਪਾਸੇ ਬੈਠੇ ਹੋਈਦਾ ਸੀ ਤੇ ਇਹਨੂੰ ਚੰਗਾ ਦੁਖੀ ਕਰੀਦਾ ਸੀ ਤੇ ਅਦਰਵਾਈਜ਼ ਅ ਗ੍ਰੇਟ ਸਪੋਰਟ ਸਾਰਿਆਂ ਨੂੰ ਇੱਥੇ ਮਿਲ ਕੇ ਬਹੁਤ ਖੁਸ਼ੀ ਹੋਈ ਚੰਡੀਗੜ੍ਹ ਵਾਲੇ ਅਸੀਂ ਤਾਂ ਇੱਕ ਦੂਜੇ ਨੂੰ ਮਿਲਦੇ ਹੀ ਰਹਿੰਦੇ ਹਾਂ ਔਰ ਜਿਹੜੇ ਦੂਰੋਂ ਆਏ ਅੱਜ ਆ ਕੇ ਬਹੁਤ ਜ਼ਿਆਦਾ ਅੱਛਾ ਲੱਗਿਆ ਤੇ ਜਰਨੈਲ ਸਾਹਿਬ ਦੀ ਜਿਹੜੀ ਹੈਗੀ ਹੈ ਫਰਵਰੀ ਦੀ ਉਸ ਨੂੰ ਆਸ ਕਰਦਾ ਜੀ ਵੀ ਸਾਰੇ ਆਪਾਂ ਹੋ ਕੇ ਪੱਕਾ ਕਰਾ ਕੇ ਪਹੁੰਚੀਏ ਉੱਥੇ ਤੇ ਜਿਹੜੇ ਵਿਦੇਸ਼ ਤੋਂ ਆਏ ਨੇ ਸਾਡੇ ਬਾਹਰੋਂ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਵੀ ਰਿਕੁਐਸਟ ਕਰਦੇ ਆ ਜੀ ਵੀ ਕੋਸ਼ਿਸ਼ ਕਰਨ ਫਰਵਰੀ ਜਾਣ ਤੇ ਬਹੁਤ ਜ਼ਿਆਦਾ ਜੀ ਫੇਰ ਸਾਰਿਆਂ ਨੂੰ ਮਿਲ ਕੇ ਖੁਸ਼ੀ ਕਲਾਸਾਂ ਮੈਂ ਸਾਰੀਆਂ ਅਟੈਂਡ ਕਰਦਾ ਸੀ ਆਈ ਵਾਸ ਵੈਰੀ ਰੈਗੂਲਰ ਸਟੂਡੈਂਟ ਇਹ ਗੱਲ ਵੱਖਰੀ ਕਿ ਉਸ ਤੋਂ ਬਾਅਦ ਇੰਜੀਨੀਅਰਿੰਗ ਤੋਂ ਬਾਅਦ ਇੰਜੀਨੀਅਰਿੰਗ ਨੂੰ ਬੜਾ ਯੂਜ਼ ਨਹੀਂ ਕੀਤਾ ਮੈਂ ਜੀ ਪੋਲਿਟਿਕਸ 'ਚ ਤੇ ਪੰਜਾਬ ਵਿੱਚ ਐਂਡ ਬਟ ਜਿੰਨੇ ਵੀ ਪੁਰਾਣੇ ਆਪਣੇ ਸਿੱਖਿਆ ਉੱਥੇ ਜੋ ਐਕਸਪੀਰੀਅੰਸਿਸ ਹੋਏ ਇੰਜੀਨੀਅਰਿੰਗ ਕਾਲਜ ਦੇ ਉਹੀ ਹੈ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਕਰਦੇ ਨੇ ਐਂਡ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਅਪਰੀਸ਼ੀਏਸ਼ਨ ਦਿੰਦੇ ਨੇ ਸੋ ਆਈ ਰਿਮੈਂਬਰ ਦੋਜ਼ ਡੇਜ਼ ਵੈਰੀ ਵਿਦ ਫੌਂਡਨੈਸ ਤੇ ਜੋ ਉਸ ਸਮੇਂ ਦੇ ਦੋਸਤੀਆਂ ਪਈਆਂ ਇੱਕ ਦੂਜੇ ਨੂੰ ਜਾਣ ਪਿਆ ਤੇ ਉਹੀ ਜੀ ਅਜੇ ਤੱਕ ਚੱਲੀ ਜਾਂਦੀ ਹੈ ਕਈ ਸਾਡੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਅੱਜ ਨਹੀਂ ਵੀ ਪਹੁੰਚੇ ਬਾਹਰ ਬੈਠੇ ਨੇ ਉਹ ਵੀ ਅੱਜ ਬੜੇ ਯਾਦ ਹੈ ਜਿਹੜੇ ਇੱਥੇ ਹੋ ਕੇ ਵੀ ਅੱਜ ਨਹੀਂ ਪਹੁੰਚ ਸਕੇ ਉਹ ਵੀ ਅੱਜ ਬੜੇ ਯਾਦ ਆਏ ਨੇ ਤੇ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਮੈਂ ਵੀ ਰਿਕੁਐਸਟ ਕਰੂੰਗਾ ਮੈਂ ਕਰਦਾ ਆਪ ਵੀ ਸਾਰੇ ਰਿਕੁਐਸਟ ਕਰੋ ਕਿ ਅਗਲੀ ਵਾਰੀ ਆਪਾਂ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਇੱਥੇ ਬੁਲਾ ਕੇ ਹਾਜ਼ਰੀ ਵੱਡੀ ਕਰਾਈਏ ਤੇ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਨਹੀਂ ਆਂਦਾ ਜੀ ਉਹਨੂੰ ਮੈਂ ਤਾਂ ਕਹਿੰਦਾ ਜਾ ਕੇ ਲੜ ਕੇ ਨਾਲ ਜੋੜੀਏ
who does not want his activities to be made public. That is why his photo has not been published in this souvenir. SSS.
Thank you all. Thank you for showing all that love and taking time out to join us here and making this gathering a real big success. My wife, Dr. is here with me. I have two daughters, very young, and I wanted to tell Verman that he's not alone. Even my daughters are school going, very young, probably maybe younger than what he has to show for himself. My elder one is in class 6 and she's gone into 7 now from the next session. Sorry. The younger one is in class 6. So when they came together, almost together, that is. Thank you so much again for joining us, and let's hope next time when we get together we have a bigger show to show for ourselves. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Todi. I request now Vikramjit Puri and Navkiran Jatka. Let's see that.
Thank you. It's been very nice seeing you all after a gap of such a long time. It was a delightful day. My name is Vikramjit Puri, electronics, roll number 25 by 76. and I have blessed with two daughters. Elder one is doing law in Punjab University, and younger one is still at school in DPS Sector 40. My wife is Monica Puri. She unfortunately could not, and I wish such occasions would be more often and could be held. I definitely am looking forward to February in Delhi maybe. Yeah, thank you.
Dr. Jhatka, who has been always confusing the professors, Navkiran Jhatka.
Good afternoon, everybody. Civilians. Civilians nahi sudre hain. Good afternoon, everybody, once again, and thanks to the organizing committee and all of you. मैं शायद अभी first time ही इसमें participate कर सका हूँ, and I enjoyed thoroughly, and I promise I'll be able to attend whenever next time the next meet is held. Our memories, especially growing up years of those teenage to adults, they are so strong. They are only, this is the proof that we are together because of those strong links. इसके पहले स्कूल के होते हैं, स्कूल people drop off. This is continuing thanks to the media, electronics media. Through internet we have been able to connect with each other. Thank you once again. About me, I am working ever since after the college in Air India. I am Chief Manager Engineering. My son, he's in US, studying in US and working there only. Daughter is doing her BTech from Noida. I stay in Delhi, Bagar Bihar, ever since I left the college, 1980 onwards. Thank you once again. Thank you very much.
Thank you. लाओ जी उन्हें अहमवान वाले आ जाओ. अनूप.
हमेशा पीछे खड़े होते आता आजा छेती आ जा और सूरी साहब जो बाहरों आए बंदे मिला रहे सी तवन दा भुल गए सी. I am really thankful to people like Dhawan, Sidhu, Suman, who've come all the way from States, Dubai, to this place, especially for this day. I introduce you, Dhawan.
Anand. I know ways to call me. I don't remember whether people are still remembering it or not. Married with wife, Pooja.
Married with wife. Point to be noted.
और भी again is पर engineers means, for example, pumps. We have one working, one standby, one operating standby. They all forgotten principles. They don't know. They don't practice engineering. I'm telling.
Not all of them are.
Okay, not to be publicized, please. Please. Okay, and having two kids. Elder one daughter. She is engineer from NIT and working now for the last 2 years as a computer engineer. Son, किसी ने dedication नहीं होगी है जी. ऐ देखो dedication. बेटा भी PEC engineering चाहेगा. I have admitted it. ठीक है आया नहीं साल मिले नहीं वो गल दूसरी की है. But what I'm telling you is my son is now in PEC. I love PEC. Of course. He is joined PEC again. History repeating itself after 30 years in the electrical branch. Very happy, very happy to join this ceremony today. And I promise you I would be a party to it whenever and wherever called from henceforth.
Right. Thank you.
Anil Sehgal. ये पुरानी आदत है री फटाफट खोलता है माइक. कहता है उन्हें likes to decide issues then and there.
Thank you, Anil. Everybody has been appreciating the organizing committee, but I think more thanks are due to people who have come all the way from Delhi, Bokaro, States. It's really appreciable and very heartwarming that people still value those bonds. And I'm really touched by everybody who's come all the way from different places to meet all of us. Thank you, gentlemen. And I am Anil. I think most of us know me. My wife Yojana. I have a son Karan, who's also in mechanical engineering, and I am based in Purwan.